Hello, this is Muthuswamy here. I have been in the field of IT and consulting for over 3.5 decades. I have been part of the boardroom discussions and strategy discussions over a period of time, and come across different situations, different scenarios. During one of such strategic discussion with my client, I was providing consulting for them and trying to arrive at some strategies, and that is when I got connected with Mr. Ravi from Xpressreach. My initial thought process was that he was looking young, and I had my own apprehensions in terms of how he would be able to deliver such a strategic solution. And that is when he facilitated a 2 day workshop to arrive at a solution. It's more kind of a discovery workshop where we were trying to get the brainstorming the different scenarios, different strategies which are possible, and how we can put the organization back on track and then achieve the growth path that is required. So what my experience had been with him was that he was very methodical, systematic. He articulated. He ensured that the employees and the senior leadership spoke freely without inhibitions and tried to bring out each one of the thought process from each and every one of the leadership, and then try to consolidate and arrive at different perspectives which we had not thought before. And he was truly acting like a catalyst to get the solution out, and then see that we have a right direction, so that you will have a new perspectives and have a newer solutions which would ensure that we would have a right strategic decisions to be made, so that the organization is back on track and it is put on the growth path.